So my passion for this place really started when I was 7 on a school trip, and out of 30 kids I was really the only one that showed any interest in it. Something happened inside me that I loved the place, loved the skills and the history, and fast forward and now I'm here. We're part of a team and we're bringing life into the place and making it work and bringing skills and history so everyone can enjoy it.
When our guests come here to Simonsbath Sawmill, we like to bring them in, have a chat and get to know them, and offer them a real Exmoor inspired picnic full of produce from all local producers so they can really get the taste, the smell and the understanding and the feel of Exmoor.
Hello everyone, thank you very much for coming. Yeah, hello. A little bit of history about the place. So here we have the Russian Hornsby power horse engine that runs this sawmill. She's about 70 years old. She was installed in 1952 and she's only 30 horsepower, which by our modern standards doesn't seem like very much, but she's an absolute trooper. Single cylinder, doesn't miss a beat, and she powers us through lots and lots of timber. So now we move into the carpenter's workshop, which is now we're in one of the oldest parts of the building. This is where the men used to process timber into usable items that were used across the estate. So a team of workmen would have felled and processed trees, brought them back to the sawmill, they'd have been processed into usable timber, and then a team of men made things for the estate in this room. We sort of showcase the tools and skills that we used at that time in our little working museum. This whole mill was originally powered on water before we had the diesel engine that we've just seen. And on the other side of here is just a mill pond, just water waiting to be used. The real power is the turbine there, the large shaft that has water just drops on it. It's fully drowned and it's just a screw inside basically. So the energy created here from the water power is then transferred to cutting power on our bandsaw mill. The power is instant and works for as long as we've got the water. Alongside the more traditional ways of cutting timber, we also offer more modern styles. So using chainsaw mill, there's a nice contrast to see how it used to be done and how we can do it now as well. And then to finish off the tour, we offer people the opportunity to cut some timber like they used to, with some cross-cut saws and a bit of muscle. Well, that sort of concludes the end of our formal tour after James and Danny had an admirable effort at cutting a piece of wood the old school way. It was great, but yeah, that's sort of the end of the formal bit, but if you'd like to come in, have some refreshments and have a look at our little store, that'd be great.
Okay, thank you. Thank you.
It's really important to us to keep the cultural heritage and the history of the Simonsbath carpenters and what they did a part of life today. We don't want to lose that cultural heritage. It's really important to Exmoor, and it's also very, very important to the North Devon biosphere and the bigger picture. We really hope to welcome you to Simonsbath Sawmill soon so you can enjoy the experience with us.